Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing a simple painting so you guys can see how to work with those two methods that we have been talking about. One is a flat wash, the other one is a graded wash. So I'm going to tape this down. I'm going to make a simple drawing here so we can see how to work with those two methods. So let's get our taping and drawing done. Okay, now I have my drawing done. I have this triangle and this little square just for okay, so now my drawing is done. I'm ready to start adding color. Like I said, this is going to be a flat and a graded wash, so my idea is to have a flat painting on the background as well on the surface where the cylinder is sitting, and I'm going to paint this cylinder using the graded wash, so that way you can see both techniques being used on the same work. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so my background is painted, and the idea in here is to make sure that my color is consistent. That's what we call a flat wash, when the color is all the same from beginning to end. There's no dark or light point. I mean, there's a little bit, not too much, but a flat wash, basically, that's all that is. It's just a color that is all the same throughout the area you are painting. So right here, I'm going to do another color. I'm going to do orange down below, and I'm going to use the same technique. Okay, so now that I have my base and my background painted and they are blue and orange, I'm going to start working on this cylinder. I'm going to work with red, and this one is going to be a graded wash. So my idea in here is to move from a darker color to a lighter color, and I'm going to do that by making sure that I start with my plain red color, but then I'm going to use a little bit of water as I move along to get this effect from dark to light. We're also gonna have a casting shadow in the back of the cylinder. The shadow is gonna be the same idea. It's going to start dark, and it's going to light it up as I go further away from the object. So let's get that going. To make painting the red a little easier, I'm going to turn this sideways. So now what I'm gonna apply a second layer to make my dark tones darker.
Now is my time to shine. Let's When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment.
There you go. Now you have the cylinder, which have this gradation colors going from dark to light to dark, and that creates the illusion that this object is three-dimensional. Now the next step is we are going to add the cast shadow to this object onto the surface.
Postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life.
Okay, now let's work on the top.
The objective in life. Doubters all the night and onto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Doubters all the night and onto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light.
Okay, maybe we need to add a little more contrast on this area just to make it a little darker.
Upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen to be you instead of wishing. Ignite. Play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen to be you instead of wishing. Ignite. Play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen to be you instead of wishing. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night and onto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite. Play the intuition upon the stars.
And this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something new. Learn how to do a flat wash and a graded wash and integrate those together in one paint in the same work. If you like this video, leave me a thumbs up. Yeah, leave me a comment, subscribe, and see you guys next time.